Let them say we're crazy, but do they know? Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you. Let them say we're crazy, don't care about them. Let your heart in mine, baby, don't ever look back. Look at where they're around us, just gonna look up. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do. Let them say we're crazy, but do they know? Let your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're hard to hold. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you. All that I need is you. All that I want to do is forget forever, forever and ever. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Lahat.
Alright! Marlock City, let's give it up for JFK!
Grabe naman! Ay! Welcome to the city!
Alright! Marlock City, parang wala kayong energy.
Oo naman!
Isa pa pag-igay para kay JFK!
And alam nyo ba yung NGM, inaabangan kayo ng todong-todo ng Tarlac City, tama ba? Parang mahina, Tarlac City, tama ba? Tamang-tama, kaya naman, batiin nyo naman ang buong Tarlacenyo, CM and Siang. What's up, mga Tarlacenyo? Ulit, 3, 2, 1, go! What's up, Tarlacenyos?
Ganun dapat, guys. Kasi, alam mo, guys, idol ko talaga sa Piang. Nonchalant. Idol ko talaga. Diba? It's giving nonchalant.
And matatag.
Oo,
Ganun siya lang.
syempre. Diba?
Ayun at syempre talaga namang pila-pila namin ng excitement ng lahat na makasama kayo. So thank you so much for being with us. Kamusta naman ang kayo sa fest experience ninyo so far?
Masaya. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kasulit yung tayo sa festival. At grabe, sobrang init ng pagsalubong eh. At ayun, sana mauli.
Maraming salamat po sa mainit na pagtanggap po sa amin dito sa Tarlac. First time po namin. Sana oh my gosh. Pero mukhang masaya lahat ng Tarlaceños na nandito kayo ngayon, guys. Kaya naman, kailangan natin i-seal itong momentous event. Siyempre, meron tayong group selfie na kasama ang mga Tarlaceños. Kaya naman, tawagin muna natin ang ating official photographer. Yan.
Okay,
Kaya talito tayo,
Let's go everyone!
Tarlac City, Lucky Kumar, and Letters T for congratulations! And Letters T for our new victory ngayon sa Apiskay South Festival for this year 2025! And maraming salamat!
Alright. Pwede, isa pa po na sila lang po. Kasama yung crowd. Ganto kayo. Guys, ganto daw. Diba, hangat? Ayan, Tarlac City! Okay, mag-rock and roll daw kayo. Let's give it up for JS Young! Thank you so much, JF
Alright.
Young!
Thank you so much. Love you.
Grabe, once again, Tarlac City, palakpakan natin! JLF Young!
Thank you so much guys!
Grabe! Sir,
Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa giliw, huwag mong pigilin kung nais mapaluha. Pakiramdam mo, sana'y guminhawa. Kung gusto mo ay magsigarilyo muna, bago tayo ang magkayakap sa giliw. Ito na ang pinakahihintay natin. O eto na tayo magkayakap sa giliw. O kay sarap ng mga nakaw na sandali, habang tayo'y magkayakap sa giliw. Habang tayo ay magkayakap sa dilim, ito na ang pinakahihintay natin.